everybody. Welcome back to episode 2 of Designers Discuss. This week we will be picking up where we left off in episode 1 and discussing some more bad designs. So get ready for some laughs, some confusion, and I hope that these designs make your day as much as they made ours. So let's get right to it.
Happy birthday, baby. Bobby. Is it Bobby? Bobby. First comes love, then comes mortgage. Then comes the mortgage. Then comes a Bobby.
You can't use the ring for one letter and then use it for a different letter.
No, you can't. And it doesn't look like an A. That's the challenge.
No.
I suppose. Well, let's figure this out. What if we move this ring to another space? Like, then comes Bobo. Or then comes Babo. Yeah, it's because of the shape.
Take it out of love and maybe keep it in marriage and baby, because the wedding ring only happens in marriage. Maybe, I don't know.
No, but this was also a push for me. I thought it was mortgage.
Then comes mortgage after love.
Okay, let's see. No thanks to this cruise. No safety. Smoking first. Oh, yeah, that's how I read it. That's exactly how I read it.
Yeah, just because they're the same color doesn't mean you read them together.
Yeah, bros before. Shoes of my life. I love them. I need them. I want them. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, why? It just doesn't make sense.
Well, it's probably like in a book. When you open a book and then that first letter, it's called something, but the word escapes me, and then it's kind of like it stands out. So I think that's what happened here.
If it was a bookshop.
Yeah, no, exactly. Maybe. Yeah. Kids live in tight-knit communities. What is going on here? This is definitely a bad design. I mean, it's not graphic design, but this is...
No.
Hey?
Yeah, that's unfortunately something we cannot even attempt to fix. That's just...
Oh, hell no.
I don't know. Whoever thought that was a good idea?
Hand dryers for mother and child. Okay.
That's kind of smart. I mean, I don't see anything wrong with that.
Well, depends on how hot the top one is. The poor child might...
burn their hair.
The Greek bird or something. Oh.
That's true.
See. Mirror ceilings, you really... Oh, no.
Oh.
That's a definite no. Can you? No. Hell no. I will never use that bathroom.
But again, who approved this?
I feel like
these are buildings.
This looks like some sort of fashion awards or someone that has too much money. And they were like, I want a mirror ceiling. Yeah, okay, sure.
Yeah.
And that's what you get,
Looks fancy, but it also just isn't practical.
Hey, or like in an art museum or something. Yeah.
Yes, that would make a lot of sense, actually.
Ideal serves one. Yeah.
Oh, wow. But again, I can't fathom how people see this and don't realize.
Yeah. Your guess is mine. Oh.
The same company selling food products and insect killer.
Oh, shit. Yeah, okay.
Wow.
Yeah. Well, at least there's a difference in the size, at least. But I mean, if you're really, you just woke up in the morning, want to cook your breakfast, you won't necessarily worry about the size. You'll be like, I know it's the yellow can. So yeah, that's questionable. Yeah, definitely.
A little.
You can't be everything at once. Oh, yeah, no.
I mean, that's brilliant. If you're in one of those capsule homes or container homes that are super small and you need to save space, I mean, this is that person's dream.
Let's see. A possible wheelchair.
Oh my gosh.
Well, I think the consideration was there, but the
execution.
Yeah, no. It feels like a spy movie. Quick. Fly off there. Oh no, you're going to hit the wall. Never mind. Yeah.
There's literally no way out of it.
No, unless you do a quick and then I don't think that's how it works.
You need 2 people for that. Goodness.
Someone to catch you in front there and quickly help you turn. Yes. At first you don't succeed.
If people bump their heads, it's their problem, you
kind of just look where you walk, I guess. But okay. Oh, I actually think this is worse.
Yeah, no, it is, because then people bump their heads.
Oh, no, I was looking at that, yeah. No, I think the tripping is worse than the bumping your head.
Yeah. And then you bump your head on the rail.
Hey?
Once you've tripped.
Exactly, you trip and then you bump your head. And what happened? Why are you in the hospital, Liam? Well, yeah, no, I'm with you. Okay, cool. So let's see. Number 21. Oh. Quack, quack.
They were probably like, you know what? Let's be different. We need some uniqueness.
Apparently, scary Jesus is thing. Hey, I mean, it's a simple.
Oh.
Hey, quack, quack. No, I don't.
But again, who draws this out and thinks,
know.
that definitely reads Jesus cares?
Yeah, I know. Your guess is. Anyway, let's see. Economy class. Oh, it's a boat.
The new premium air class seat on the outside of the airplane.
Can you imagine? Like your insurance won't cover this. I'm sorry. Can't fly with these guys. We won't cover that. Author asks why his book called No More Plastic was wrapped with. It's not wrong. He's got a point.
Yeah. Maybe it's biodegradable plastic. What do we know?
Yeah, no, who knows? So, let's kind of get into it. What about that challenge? Now, we've looked at all these bad designs. What about we go back to one of the designs we've looked at and we see if we're going to fix it? Have you got a little spin thingy up for us so we can choose who does the design?
Shoot. I think I closed the tab. Let me find it again. Sorry.
Before we click this, let's just explain the rules to our viewers. So we are gonna choose one of these people. We're gonna choose one of us, and one of us is gonna get the opportunity to choose a design for the other person that they have to fix, and you will see that on our next episode. So yes, that's what we do. We often fix logos and we save logos that possibly needs saving. So if you have a logo there, audience member who's looking at this, our 34 subscribers, and you have a logo that you feel needs some fixing, or you want us to look at your own logo, feel free to get in touch. But until then, let's do this. Or do I just click this?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Oh! Ta-da!
It hasn't stopped yet. Oh, damn it. Okay, it stopped.
Yay, Sian!
Winner!
You're the lucky winner of fixing one of these designs we looked at. Let's go back.
Okay. Yeah, you gotta pick one.
I think here's our winner. Fashion
fart.
Boom!
Okay, gotcha.
That is your challenge. Challenge accepted. Fix the fashion fart logo. How will you fix that?
We will see in the next episode.
Yeah. Can't wait.
Not giving anything away.
Okay, cool. Well, that is it. Please like, subscribe this video, follow us, and we're always going to try and keep it a little humorous, keep it entertaining, and till the next time, we will see you soon. All the best, and thank you